Howdy, this is Space from spacesbox.com, and I'm installing my first hardware I actually sent a request and got on my YouTube channel. Now, I did get 2 other pieces of hardware, but they were sent to me from other vendors that I didn't request. But I did reviews and I sucked. I'm hoping to do a better review here. Anyway, this is a Startech 2-port USB-C card, and it uses external power. So I have external power here. It uses the same power that would use for a USB hard drive for SATA hard drives or powering your light strips. Anyway, you need to plug that in, then plug it in, and I'll do that now, and then I'll show you it plugged in. Okay. And I'll do the test too. You'll have a full test. I'm going to try to benchmark it and everything else. I have a USB-C hard drive, but it's a 2 terabyte Western Digital. I'll see if it will work with that and if it's fast or not. Okay. And also I have a DVD Blu-ray drive where I can try with it, but I don't have any Blu-ray disc to burn yet. Anyway, I'll put you on hold and install this, or put the thing on and then put you back. That is connected and ready to go into your machine. I'll put it in your machine next, and we'll go from there. Hold on. Okay, now it's installed. You can see it's in the slot. It should be working good. I hope it'll work. I haven't tried it yet, and yeah, my Evo drive is kind of just hanging there. But anyway, and this is the MSI board and a processor. What comes with and it's AMD socket 5. I did have a problem with my USB-C not working before. I'm hoping it'll work this time. Otherwise, it's me out. And I did get this donated from Startech, and they were nice enough to. Anyway, if you can see the side, you see the 2 USB-Cs. Then you see my graphics card, my old graphics card. I've contacted a couple of companies, and none of them replied. And it's on my, if you look on my Twitch, or, well, now it's not Twitch, it's called X. Anyway, yeah, and those are the ports of this graphics, of this motherboard. And this is a 76X. I've been trying to upgrade. I went into AMD and saw all their booth, but they haven't sent me anything either. I would love to upgrade to a 9070 XT or a 950 XLD processor, either or both. I'd love AMD if they were nice enough to do that for me. Anyway, this is my gaming rig, my video production, and my sim rig. And I have it for everything right now. Anyway, I do have a file server, but it's an older Intel machine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll have more footage with benchmarks and all that stuff. I'll edit and add it to it. Thank you for watching. Well, yeah, anyway, keep listening. I'll be back in a second.